How to upgrade Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Let Me Help. First thing first, you cannot upgrade Spotify Premium on Spotify app. So make sure to go to any web browser and search for spotify.com and log in with your credentials. Once you log in, you'll get to see Get Premium option available on the top. All you have to do is tap on the Get Premium. And once you tap on the Get Premium, all you have to do is choose your premium account according to your preferences. There are various options available. So scroll down and you'll get to see some of them. Or now all you have to do is tap on the Start Free Trial or simply tap on the some premium upgrade duo option available there. Now after you tap on it, all you have to do is enter your credit or debit card info, then click on Start. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.